Hello everyone, welcome back to Beaver's Hobby channel and to my second episode or second vlog of using a transmitter for cars. In this video I'm gonna try and see how can I make this left stick self-center just like the right one, because now it just doesn't really go into the center. So let's open it up and see how can I do that. To open this up, first we have to take the side grip out. There's nothing to it. There's nothing to this, so I can just put it right off. That one on the right, and that one on the left. Oh, and for safety, I should take the battery out as well. Okay, next. And I'll have to sit the transmitter face down, so the easier way or the safer way to use the case. I can just sit it in the case so I don't touch the gimbal or damage it in any way. Let's see, what hex screwdriver does it need? So 1.5 doesn't do it. 2. Okay, so I need 2mm hex driver. Two and 4. That'll come out. There's nothing in there. Remove these 2 screws as well. Oh, that's not 2mm. Let's try 2.5. Yep, that's 2.5mm. Okay. So carefully lift this one up, and then I can pull the back cover out. Again, carefully removing this because that's gonna be 2 wires for the speaker. Short wires go there. The long wire go to another one. Okay, so the wires are unique, so there's no way to put them back in wrong. Well, there must be some tensioner for this stick. So here's the conclusion. If you want to make the stick self-center, you open it up and then remove this tensioner. Then adjust the spring so it come back. So this one that makes it come back to the center. Move this screw out. Now you can see that it is come back to the center properly. So it is. This one is going to be a little bit out, just like that. and it is perfect. And then adjust this one to increase the spring tension. It's soft, so if I do clockwise, it is more tension. Yep. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Let's put it back together and go for a test drive. Starting with the speaker. After the speaker wires, push the top in first. And then you can see that it is not properly in yet, so I'll have to push this one in like that, and also the other side like that, and the top is going to go in there. We're gonna see two latches right here, so that one's going to go in. Next, the antenna, put it right there, and the screw is the 2.5mm hex. And of course, don't forget the side grips. The module bay cover. Battery. And we are done. Now it is going to have the warning about throttle position, but it doesn't matter.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning. Switch warning.
Next, what I'm gonna have to do is to calibrate the sticks. So go to System, Calibration, press Enter to start. Center everything. Okay, that's the center. Center. Okay. So press Enter. Move all the sticks. And all the sliders and potentiometer. And that's it. If I go back, all zeros. Nice. Perfect. Let's see if I got any better. Last time someone commented I should try and pinch, but okay, quite alright. This sort of works. Well, now that I've got everything self-center, let's try and do the left-hand throttle. This one is going to be on the right is the steering, and then the left is going to be throttle. Let's see how it goes. It just occurred to me that drifting is probably not the best way to learn how to drive with a stick. Okay. So, left-hand throttle, this might work. And before I go, I want to show you the way to turn off the throttle warning. Now that we have the throttle at the center, it is going to have the warning every time if you don't turn it off. So, go to model. Okay. And then scroll down to pre-flight checks, and then deselect the throttle state, and that's pretty much it. Now if I turn off and turn it on again, it is not going to have the throttle warning anymore. That's it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next episode. Bye. Let's try and go to the right hand.